Alright, so WhatsApp payment is finally out for a lot of people. It was in beta for a couple of months, like 4 to 5 months back, but right now and finally everyone has it, and if not, everyone will eventually get it within a day or two. So in this video we'll be taking a look at how to set it up and also how to basically use it to send money to other people. So first things first is go into your WhatsApp. Once in WhatsApp, go to settings. In settings, you'll see a new option called as payments. So tap on payments. Like you'll have an option here to add the payment method. So tap on the payment method. So once you tap on the payment method, you'll basically get to add your bank account. So there's a list of bank accounts currently supported. So select any of the account that you want, but make sure that the bank account has your number registered. So the current WhatsApp number should be registered to your bank account. Only then the account will be added onto your WhatsApp. So once everything is done and set up, it will basically ask you to verify your number and basically enter your UPI pin or basically add a new UPI pin. So once the process is completed, all you have to do is go into your chat, and if the chat doesn't have WhatsApp payments enabled, it will basically request or send a request to the chat. So send a WhatsApp notification. So it will basically send a notification that I have to pay you or something like that, and please enable please set up the WhatsApp payments. But if you go back and if you have someone with WhatsApp payments enabled, all you have to do is tap on the plus button, or on Android tap on the attach button, go to the payments, select the number of amount, so let's say 100, and you can even add a note, so let's say test. There we go, test. Hit on the send button. Then it will basically ask you to enter your UPI pin. So once you enter the pin, hit submit, and basically the payment will go through your bank account. It will be stuck on processing for a while until the bank approves. And once the bank approves, as you can see, I have already sent 100 rupee from my account to my mom, and it went through pretty fine. So once the processing is done, it'll basically tell you that the process is now complete. There you go, I got a message, and I think the payment will now be okay. There we go, it says completed. So let's say if you want to keep track of all the payments that you have done, all you have to do is go into settings and again go into payments and then tap on see all, and there'll be a list of all the payments that you have done on WhatsApp or on WhatsApp payment. It will basically inform you that it is sent from you or sent to you. Yeah, make sure that the person has WhatsApp payments enabled already, and if it is done, or if the person has already set up WhatsApp payments, it will go through seamlessly. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That was the WhatsApp payments, and yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have the option to pay. If not, make sure that you update it from the Play Store or the App Store, or just close it from recents, and then you'll be good to go. So yeah, for now that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. This was a short little video on WhatsApp payments. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.